Hi guys, Miss Patterson here. Today I'm going to talk about why leaves change colors. Right now Arkansas is in the midst of fall and you see all of these beautiful colors. And you'll notice that some trees never turn colors, they always stay green. Those are what we call coniferous trees. And coniferous trees have an antifreeze in their leaves that prevent them from freezing during the wintertime. So the question is, why do trees drop their leaves? Well, leaves like this have a lot of water in them. And so during the wintertime, when it freezes, the water inside the cells also freeze. And if you've ever put a can inside a freezer and come back a little bit later, you realize that the can is busted and the water has expanded. And that happens inside of these cells. So the tree is going to drop these leaves in order to reduce the weight and the killing of the cells. So the leaves that change colors, these are called deciduous trees, and they're going to make sugars all year long. So they have green chlorophyll. You see this green leaf? This has chlorophyll in it, and the chlorophyll starts in the spring, and it starts taking in carbon dioxide and water and turns it into sugar. The sugar will be used all year long, but when it starts to get cooler and the days get shorter and you're not getting enough sunlight, the chlorophyll is going to start shutting down. And then what happens is you start seeing the actual color of the leaf. So some will be these beautiful reds and some will be yellow and orange. The yellow and orange have carotenoids in them, and those are working year round. Those kind of help with sugars. But these here that are red have what's called anthocyanin in them. And this is going to be used during the fall to help produce a little bit more sugar for that tree. This is going to produce enough sugar for it to be pulled out and taken down into the root of the tree to be used during the winter time. And these leaves are eventually going to fall. And what you're going to notice is some of these little spots where the leaf is, I don't know if you can see that, it has to start to make a little scab. And that little scab is going to start to protect that tree. Let me see if I can get a better picture. Okay. And these leaves are going to start to fall off. And these leaves start to make a little bit of a scab or a little bit of a blockage right here to keep this from being an open wound on the tree. And then you just barely touch it and it will detach and fall off, and it will fall off with a breeze or fall off with gravity. But that's kind of what's going on. So the chloroplast is shutting down for the winter and getting ready for the fall. And that's why leaves change colors in the fall. They're getting ready for the winter and shutting down the chlorophyll. All right, talk to you later. So that box back there was a bat box. Bat box. So it goes, no, 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 bat box, bat box, no, 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 no. Say it.
Bat box.
Bat box. That's what it is.